A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Let's start directly with pricing, beginning with Coconut. Coconut uses a tiered subscription model built specifically for UK sole traders, and one of its biggest advantages is that all prices are shown inclusive of VAT, which removes guesswork from the start. The Essentials plan costs £99.99 per year when billed annually, or £16.99 per month if paid monthly. This plan covers core bookkeeping, bank connections, invoicing, and real-time tax tracking. The next tier adds Making Tax Digital support and is priced at £129.99 per year, or £21.99 per month, enabling quarterly MTD updates and submission of the MTD end-of-year tax return to HMRC. Coconut also offers a self-assessment plan at £129.99 per year, allowing users to file their self-assessment directly to HMRC while retaining all core bookkeeping features. At the top end, the full plan costs £159.99 per year and bundles both Making Tax Digital submissions and self-assessment filing into a single package. Coconut strongly promotes annual billing by highlighting savings of over £100 compared to monthly payments, giving sole traders predictable, fixed costs for the entire tax year. Now compare that to VitalTax, which uses a license-based pricing model focused purely on VAT submissions rather than bundled bookkeeping. VitalTax pricing is annual and excludes VAT. A license for one business costs £20 per year. As more businesses are added, the price scales in steps, with 2 businesses costing £36 per year, 3 costing £48, 4 costing £60, and 5 costing £72. Larger tiers include £84 per year for 6 businesses, £96 for 7, £108 for 8, and £120 for 9 businesses. An unlimited license costs £132 per year and allows VAT submissions for an unlimited number of businesses. This structure makes VitalTax extremely cost-effective for agents or users managing multiple VAT registrations, but it does not bundle additional accounting or tax tools. Moving into Coconut's features, the platform is designed to reduce friction for sole traders managing their finances day to day. Coconut connects to over 30 UK banks and credit cards, automatically importing transactions and categorizing income and expenses in real time. Everything feeds into a live tax estimate, so users always know how much money to set aside, helping avoid unexpected bills. Invoicing is built in, with unlimited branded invoices, payment tracking, and visibility over unpaid balances. Coconut works on both mobile and desktop, making it practical for freelancers who manage finances between client work. Accountant access is included, allowing seamless collaboration at year-end without exporting spreadsheets. A key strength is how tightly tax is integrated, with MTD and self-assessment handled inside the same workflow rather than through separate tools. Looking at the pros, Coconut excels at simplicity, transparency, and predictability. VAT-inclusive pricing avoids confusion, automation reduces manual work, and setup is fast, even for first-time users. It's clearly built for non-accountants. On the downside, Coconut is limited to sole traders, does not support limited companies, and lacks payroll, advanced reporting, and complex tax handling, meaning some growing businesses may eventually outgrow it. Now let's focus fully on what VitalTax offers beyond pricing. VitalTax is positioned as a lightweight, compliance-focused VAT submission tool, rather than a full accounting platform. Its core purpose is to prepare and submit VAT returns under Making Tax Digital, without attempting to replace bookkeeping software or manage day-to-day finances. Users enter VAT figures manually or import summaries from spreadsheets or other accounting systems, giving full control over the numbers submitted to HMR. This approach appeals strongly to users who already keep accurate records elsewhere and simply need a reliable HMRC recognized way to file VAT returns without extra complexity. VitalTax supports MTD-compliant VAT submissions for multiple businesses under a single license, which is especially useful for accountants, bookkeepers, or business owners managing more than one VAT registration. The interface is intentionally simple and stripped back, focusing on submission accuracy, confirmation receipts, and compliance tracking rather than dashboards or financial analytics. Because the software is narrowly focused, setup is quick, learning time is minimal, and users can move from data entry to submission without navigating unnecessary menus. VitalTax also offers an unlimited license tier, making it scalable for agents with growing client lists while keeping annual costs relatively low compared to per-client pricing models. The pros of VitalTax are its low annual cost, transparent license-based pricing, and sharp focus on VAT compliance. It's ideal for users who only need VAT submissions and want to avoid paying for bundled bookkeeping or invoicing features they won't use. The unlimited license offers particularly strong value for firms handling many VAT returns under one roof. However, the cons are just as clear. VitalTax does not include bank feeds, invoicing, expense tracking, income tax submissions, or real-time financial insights. There's no automation around data capture, no cash flow visibility, and no mobile-first experience. It also focuses solely on VAT, so users with income tax, self-assessment, or broader accounting needs must rely on additional software. In terms of ratings, Coconut currently holds an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 on Trustpilot, based on hundreds of user reviews, reflecting strong satisfaction with ease of use, automation, and tax visibility. VitalTax holds an average Trustpilot rating of around 4 out of 5, based on a small number of reviews, which suggests generally positive feedback, but with a limited sample size. Because of this, prospective users should trial the software and review documentation to ensure it fits their workflow. Final takeaway: if you're a sole trader who wants automated bookkeeping, invoicing, and real-time tax tracking wrapped into one beginner-friendly app, Coconut is the more complete and hands-off choice. If you only need a simple, low-cost, no-frills way to submit VAT returns for one or many businesses, VitalTax delivers focused compliance at a very competitive price. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software that actually fits how you manage VAT, tax, and compliance day to day.